welcome to my channel, Fun Learning with Anika, and today we will be doing some digging excavation. And welcome my friend Sally. We will be working with her as well. And right now, there's a gold brick.
Not a real one, just half held.
Yeah. And like we need to dig into it. And there are small specimens. I think there's specimens of rocks, right?
Rocks and just chance to get diamond or something.
Real
Or
diamond.
gold or diamond.
Yeah, real diamond, gold, whatever precious stuff. But we need to be careful and we need to be like real digging. And we'll only be using one tool. And here it is. So like on the top, this is the part where you start digging through this. And then once it gets all sandy everywhere, you could use this to like brush it off. So this will be the gold brick. It's not actual gold. It's it's powder. Yeah. So we're gonna go me first. I'm gonna dig a little bit and Sally's gonna dig a little bit. Yeah. And when we find the specimen, we're gonna stamp to let everybody know like. Okay, so I'm gonna dig a little bit.
We found another one, but it might be connected.
And like
to the other one.
we did some more digging.
Yeah.
This is how it looks. And we think that the gem is pretty big.
Yeah, it might be connected or it might be another gem.
Yeah. Either one of those two options or it's fake.
Yeah.
Yeah. We found we dig it more deeper and we found out they're really deep and stuff.
And we even tried the bottom part of it.
We even tried the sides
Yeah.
and this side.
So we don't.
Don't do the whole thing, Sally.
Oh! I dig it out! You mean you dug it out?
Yeah, I dug it out.
Well, I guess it's just me left now. Okay, so right now we just dug it up.
Yeah.
I cleaned it. And look.
It's the same.
Okay, so in our digging experience. It was kind of tough, and we thought it would take like years of time.
Yeah. Nah, it's like just take 1 hour or something.
Eventually, we got through pretty quickly.
Yeah. By using some water to get our oyster skin. So that's I just stick it
And now
out.
it's just like this easy.
I know, right? Because we put all of the water on something.
And
We're just having fun.
we also
This
like
is all the powder.
yeah, so we broke it in half so we can share. We can take turns digging in our own pieces.
Oh, look at this big piece of gold.
Yeah.
We got our gold.
Okay, so since we dug so hard with all this powder and stuff, my mom has made us an reward. It's an Indian sweet called bunda. So here it is, the sweet bunda.